Hey guys, how's it going and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find a vacuum leak using brake cleaner on any car. This is my Mercedes Benz 380 SL, and as you can see, this car, it's in really good shape, but it's got a power issue where when I accelerate and I'm going faster over 40 miles per hour, it has a hard time. It hesitates and it doesn't accelerate very fast. It's very slow. It feels heavy. And the previous owner said they found an evap leak, not a vacuum leak, and that it needed a lot of hoses changed. So we're gonna see what we need to change on this car. I'm gonna turn it on. And here I have brake cleaner. So I'm gonna find the vacuum leak. See, the RPM just goes up. You can see the RPM going up. You can feel it. I'm gonna spray on this side. Means that the vacuum leak somewhere back there. I'm gonna take this air filter case out and we're gonna inspect the vacuum lines and see that everything looks good. Whatever doesn't look good, we're gonna replace it with new hoses. So I'm gonna start by taking this top part off. It has these clips all around. And this car is 40 years old, over 40 years old, so it's gonna be expected to have some cracked hoses somewhere. This is number 10. Okay guys, and we can already see some cracked gaskets, so this is pretty bad. We obviously have some air coming, extra air coming through here, so that's not good. We have to change this. Okay, put that out the way. We're gonna see now what we have. This is new, so most likely somebody changed this already. They already put a new air filter, so we're gonna put that aside. And as you can see guys, we have more bolts here, some nuts, so we just have to remove these. Make sure you don't drop them in the engine, so put them in a safe place. If you guys are liking this video so far, please hit the subscribe button and put a like button. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel and I feel like I'm a bit stuck, but you know, you just have to keep doing it until it works. So if you hit the like button and you know, just hit the subscribe button. That will help me out a lot. And from a lot of the comments, a lot of my videos have been helping many of you guys, so that makes me really happy, and that's what makes me keep doing this. Anyway, so we will remove this. We'll just put it out of the way here. Okay, now we have a bunch of parts here. Fuel injection, we have this is really complex fuel injection. This is the air diaphragm, so I'm pretty sure I don't have a leak through here. So I was spraying back here. This hose, as you can see, it's already cracking, so this is pretty bad, guys. Look at this. This is not good. Look at this one, guys. Look, this is very like, yeah, I mean, could be. Oh, look at these, guys. Oh my gosh, look, this is pretty bad. So 100% we have some air leak coming through here. And then where this one goes, let's see. So this hose goes somewhere down there, and it goes to this side underneath, and it goes back to this line here. So that one could be cracking too. And this one is very bad. Look at this, guys. This is not good. See? This here is not good. So I'm gonna order a new one. That's gonna have to be replaced. Oh, look at here. This one's cracking too. So yeah, definitely we need a bunch of new parts here. This is gonna take me a while. It's not gonna be it might take me a few tries. I might fix it now and then I might find something else. But anyways, we saw where our leak is mainly. Then this is cracking too, so we're gonna have to buy one of these. So yeah, I will order everything I see that I need on eBay. You can find anything on eBay. I don't think it's on Amazon. I'm gonna check both and then I'm gonna go from there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you understand how to find a leak on the car. This is this is all for the automated door locks. Let's see, it's all technology, all hoses, so everything it just cracking down, just cracks. All right guys, I will upload the update soon, and thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. All right my friends, so I put everything back together, but I went ahead and I used this sealant, silicone RTV on these hoses. So where I saw cracks, I used some super glue, and then I used this silicone RTV where the connection goes, so that any air, it blocks any air from coming, extra air. Okay, so I temporarily fixed this hose. I fixed it on the bottom. I did order a new one on Amazon because I saw it on Amazon, so I went ahead and ordered the new hose. But for now, I just use this sealant, and hopefully it makes it run better. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. I also fixed the how do you call the rubber seal that goes here. I put it back. I am gonna order a new one. I have to find the exact rubber seal that goes there. Shouldn't be too hard to find, but at least we're gonna do that. I also saw the fuel pressure regulator. It was all rusted out, so yeah, that's gonna be new. I found it on eBay. So yeah, there's a few things that need to be changed. Look guys, this is cracking. So anyways, we're gonna turn it on now and see if anything changed. All right, got the key. RPM that usually normal when you first start the car, and it should drop down to right below 1. So yeah, it's dropping. This is how it's supposed to be running. Maybe a little bit less. Again, I temporarily fixed it. I will buy a new hose. Let's see what I have on the engine. It seems, yeah, that seems much better. Spray again. Alright, so it went up, but not like that time. Yeah. Definitely much better, but again, I have to buy a new part. And for now it takes the easy ride. Again, thank you guys for watching. I will keep uploading videos on this car. I'm gonna make the video when I change the new hoses, and then I'm gonna change the fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, I hope you guys like this kind of videos. I'm gonna take it out for a drive, and I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.